Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to learn about addition, subtraction and multiplication of base 5 number system. In yesterday's lecture you get to know about the addition, subtraction and multiplication of binary number system. The rule is same, that when we add the numbers, if the sum of two or more digits is greater than 5, we will divide the sum by 5, write the remainder and carry the quotient to the next digit. Now students, let's move towards the example of addition of base 5 number system. Now students, here we have to find out the sum of two base 5 numbers, 1 2 4 3 3 with base 5 and 3 1 2 4 3 with base 5. We will write the first number as it is and we will write the second number. One thing keeping in mind that we will write number from right towards left. Now students, when we add 3 and 3 we got 6. As you can see that 6 is not a base 5 digit, so we will divide it with 5. After that we got 1 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder, so we will write one remainder here and give one quotient to the next column. Now 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 1 4 8. 8 is also not base 5 digit, so we will divide it. Here you can see that 3 is remainder and 1 is quotient. We will write here a remainder 3 and 1 will give carry to the next column. 4 1 5 and 5 plus 2 7. 7 is again divisible by 5, so we will divide it. 5 1 is 5 and remainder is 2. We will write the remainder here and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. As you can see that 4 is digit of base 5, so we will write here 4 as it is. Now 1 plus 3 we got 4, we will write 4 here as it is. Now after adding both numbers we got our answer, which is 4 4 2 3 1 with base 5. Now students, let's move toward the example of subtraction of base 5 number systems. Now students, here we have to find out the subtraction, so we will subtract 2 1 4 3 with base 5 from 3 4 2 1 with base 5. Here we will write our first base 5 number and here we will write our second base 5 number. As you can see that we cannot subtract 3 from 1, so we will carry from the next column. As you can see, and I told you in last lecture that in base systems we will take carry according to the base. Now when we carry here 1 equal to 5, so here is our carry is 5 and this number 1 will add into it. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and we will subtract 3 from the 6, we got 3. Now here you can see that we have left 1. We cannot subtract 4 from the 1, so we will again carry from the last column. Then we carry 5 plus 1 6 and 6 minus 4 we got 2. In last column we have 3. And as you can see that we subtract 1 from 3, so after the subtraction we got 2. Again we will subtract 2 from 3, we got 1. So after the subtraction we got our answer, which is 1 2 2 3 with base 5. Now students, here is the example of multiplication of base 5 number system. First number we have 4 2 1 with base 5 into 2 3 4 with base 5. We will write the numbers here. Now students, when we multiply 4 into 1 we got 4. We will write here 4 as it is because 4 is a digit of base 5 number system. Now 4 2s are 8. We cannot write down the 8, so we will divide it with 5. After the division, the 3 is remainder and 1 is quotient, so we will write 3 here and 1 quotient will carry to the next column. 4 4 is 16, 16 plus 1 17. We cannot write the 17, so we will divide it. 5 3 is 15 and 2 is remainder, so we will write here first 2 then 3 are quotient. Now we will write here 0. Now we multiply 3 with all the digits. 3 into 1 we got 3. 3 into 2 we got 6. We cannot write 6, so we will divide it with 5. 1 is our quotient and 1 is remainder, so we will write remainder here and give 1 quotient carry to the next column. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. We cannot write 13, so we will divide it. After that 3 is our remainder and 2 is our quotient, so we will write our remainder first then our quotient. Now moving towards the next digit, we will write 2 zeros here. 2 ones are 2. We will write 2 here because 2 is a digit of base 5 number system. 2 2s are 4. 4 will also written as because 4 is a base 5 number system digit. Now 2 4s are 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. 3 is our remainder and 1 is our quotient, so we will write 3 and 1. 4 will written as it is. 3 plus 3, we got 6. We cannot write 6 as it is, so we will divide it. After the division, we will write remainder 1 here and 1 quotient to the next column. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. We cannot write 6 again, so we will divide it. 1 is remainder and 1 is quotient, so we will write 1 remainder here and 1 quotient to the next column. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 11. We cannot write it 11 here, so we will divide it. 11, 5 2s are 10 and 1 is remainder, so we will write 1 here and 2 carry to the next column. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, so we will divide 7 with 5. 1 is quotient and 2 is remainder, so we will write here 2 and 1 quotient give carry to the next column. Then 1 plus 1, we got 2. So after the multiplication, our product is 2 2 1 1 1 4 with base 5. Now student, let's move towards the exercise questions. Now students, here is our exercise number 3.2, question number 1, solve. Students, today we will solve all questions related to base 5, addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here is our part 7, 340 with base 5 plus 230 with base 5. Now students, we will add both numbers of base 5 number systems. Let's start the solution. Here we will write the first number as it is and we will write the second number starting from right towards left. Now we will add both numbers. 2 plus 4, we got 6. We cannot write 6, so we will divide it. Here is our quotient and here is our remainder. We will write here remainder and quotient give carry to the next column. Then 1 plus 2, we got 3. We will write 3 as it is because 3 is base 5 number system digit. Now 1 plus 1 2, we will write here 2 as it is. 0 plus 0, we got 0. 4 plus 3, we got 7, so we will divide here. 5 and the 5 and 2 is remainder, so we will write remainder here and 1 carry to the next column. Then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. We cannot write 6 as it is, so we will divide it. Here is our quotient and here is our remainder. First we will write our remainder, then our quotient. So the sum of both digits of base 5 number system are 1 1 2 0 2 3 1 with base 5, which is our answer. Here is our part 8, 1 0 0 0 0 1 with base 5 minus 3 3 3 2 2 with base 5. Now students, we have to subtract these two numbers of base 5. Let's start its solution. First we will write our first number, then we will write second number starting from right. As you can see that we cannot subtract 2 from 1, so we will get carry from the very next column. As you can see that here is 0, we cannot get carry from it. Next is also 0, next is also 0 and next is also 0, so we will get carry from here. As I told you in last lecture that in this type of question, carry equal to our base. Now in this question, carry equal to our base, which is 5. We carry from here 5. We also want carry here, so here left 4 and here makes 5. Now we will give carry to the next column. Here left 4. From next column we will give here remainder 4. Then we will give carry to the next column and here remainder 4. Now students, I told you that if there is any number, we will add both the carry and the number. Then 5 is our carry and 1 is this number, so by adding both numbers we got 6. Now we will subtract 2 from 6. After the subtraction we got 4. Now as you can see that here we have 4 left, so we will subtract 2 from 4, we got 2. We will subtract 3 from 2, we got 1. We will subtract 3 from 4, we got 1. We will subtract 3 from 4, we got 1. And this one we already gave carry, so there is nothing. So after the subtraction, our answer is 1 1 1 2 4 with base 5. This is our answer. Now students, here is the multiplication of base 5 number systems. 4 4 1 4 3 with base 5 into 2 3 0 2 3 with base 5. Let's start its solution. Now students, first we will multiply 3 with all the digits of upper number. 3 3s are 9. As you can see that we cannot write the 9, so we will divide it. Here when we divide it with 5, this is our quotient and this is our remainder. So we will write here our remainder and give one carry to the next column. Then 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. We cannot write 13, so we will divide it by 5. Here is our working. When we divide it, 2 is our quotient and 3 is our remainder. So we will write 3 here and give 2 carry to the next column. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5. We cannot write 5, so we will divide it. 5 1s are 5 and 0 is our remainder. So we will write here 0 and 1 carry to the next column. Then students, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13. We cannot write 13 as it is, so we will divide it. 3 is our remainder and 2 is our quotient. So we will write here 3 and 2 carry to the next column. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. We cannot write 14, so we will divide it. Here is our working. When we divide, 2 is our quotient and 4 is our remainder. So we will write remainder first, then our quotient. Here we will write 4 first and then 0. Then we will multiply 2 with all the digits. Here we will put 1 0. 2 3s are 6. As you can see that we cannot write 6, so we will divide it. After the division, 1 is remainder and 1 is quotient. So we will write 1 and remainder here and 1 quotient to the next column. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. We cannot write 9, so we will divide it. 4 is our remainder and 1 is our quotient. So we will write 4 here and 1 carry to the next column. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. We will write 3 as it is. Then 2 4s are 8. We cannot write 8, so we will divide it. Here is our working. 1 is our quotient and 3 is our remainder. So we will write here 3 and 1 to carry to the next column. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. We cannot write 9, so we will divide it. After the division, 4 is our remainder and 1 is our quotient. So we will write 4 first and then our quotient 1. Now students, as you can see that our third digit is 0. When we multiply 0 with any number, we got 0, so we will put firstly 2 zeros, then we will multiply 0 with all digits, we get 0, so we will write 5 zeros here. Now students, as you can see that our next result is again 3, so we will write all the digits which we get by multiplying the 3. We write 3 zeros firstly, then we will write all the digits of multiplication when we multiply the all numbers with 3. Then our next digit is again 2, so we will write the all digits again. We will write firstly 4 zeros, then all the digits when we multiply 2 with all the numbers. Now we will add the numbers. 4 will write as it is. 3 plus 1 4 will write as it is. 4 and all zeros we will write 4 as it is. 3 3 6 and 6 4 10. We cannot write 10, so we will divide it here. 5 2s are 10 and 0, so we will write 0 here and 2 carry to the next column. 4 plus 2 6, 6 3 9, 9 and 1 10, 10 and 3 13. We cannot write 13, so we will divide it. Here is our division. 3 is our remainder and 2 is our quotient, so we will write 3 here and 2 give quotient to the next column. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. We cannot write 12, so we divide 12 here. 5 2s are 10 and 2 carry, so we will write 2 here and 2 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 3 6, 6 3 9. We cannot write 9, so we will divide it. Here is our division. 4 is our remainder and 1 is our quotient. We will write 4 here and 1 quotient to the next column. 4 plus 1 5, 5 3 8. We cannot write 8, so here is our division. We will write 3 here because 3 is our remainder and 1 to the next column because 1 is our quotient. We will write here 3 and 1 carry to the next column. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7. We cannot write 7, so we divide it here. 7 5 1s are 5 and 2. We will write 2 here and 1 carry to the next column. 1 plus 1 2. So after the multiplication, our product is 2 2 3 4 2 3 0 4 4 4 with base 5. I hope students you understand all these questions very well. Take care.